right, we're here with three more players from the camp here out in Drax. So I'm going to ask them to share with us their names, one at a time. Go ahead and tell us your names.
My name is Daylan Daly.
My name is Sitana Moffat.
My name is Chiara Thompson.
All right, so I mean, is this your first time playing football, or you normally play football, or you're part of a club or a team?
Normally play football.
Same, I normally play football.
Yes, same.
All right, so I mean, how has this camp been? What is the experience?
So far, it's been a very good camp. But hopefully,
Nothing that I don't expect.
Exactly.
nothing that we don't expect because this is a daily something that we normally do. So like,
Okay, so what are your plans in terms of football? Is this a play sports that you want to do professionally, or is it just for fun?
Professionally.
professionally,
Professional.
You believe that we will see you soon playing for any of the senior teams
Sure.
under 20 national team?
sure.
Well confident.
Well, confident.
Nah,
What players
man.
do you look up to in the national team?
Jody Brown. Jody Brown.
Brown?
Same.
Who is saying?
Jody Brown.
All right, what position? Just tell us your position. The position that
A midfielder and a forward.
Defense and midfield.
Midfield and forward.
All right, tell the people your names again so when they see you 10 years from now playing for Jamaica, they know who they're calling out.
Chiara Thompson.
Sitana Moffat, aka Pringles.
Daylan Daly.
All right, thank you so much.